What a graceful and beautiful performance to start off the night. Before we move on, I would like to take this opportunity to thank some special guests who are present here with us tonight. First and foremost, a very warm welcome to our chief guest, famous Kathak dancer, Srimati Ekta Popat. Shagnika is extremely fortunate that we also have here with us respected Bharatanatyam Guru, Srimati Lavanya Prabhu, to bless her. We also have amongst us Srimati Keka Kaur, a Kathak dancer, and it is our great honor that Shri Shovik Chakraborty, a very renowned talent from India, is here with us tonight. He is a Ustad Bismillah Khan Yuva Purushkar awardee for Kathak. It is our good fortune that we also have many faculty from Durgabari Kala Bhavan, including Srimati Shoma Dasgupta, Dr. Tatagata Banga, Kaushik Chakraborty, and Srimati Rupchanda Ghosh. Additionally, we have some teachers from HTBS Bangla School, of which Shagnika is an alumnus. Our pranams to all the teachers. After the beautiful beginning to her recital, Shagnika will now present an abstract piece that establishes the diction of the Odissi form. As I was saying earlier, all classical art forms are bound by rules. In Odissi, a dancer always has to maintain one of the 4 basic stances. 2 of these include the chauka, or the square position, and the tribhangi, or the 3-bend posture that is unique to Odissi. Our next presentation is a nritta. Nritta is a pure dance technique with rhythmic footwork and beautiful abstract movements of the body that are marked by symmetrical lines and geometric patterns that contrast with subtle neck and eye movements. A pallavi is a non-interpretive pure dance, a nritta composition portraying mostly the lasya bhava, or the feminine movements. In a pallavi, the dance is elaborated through eye movements, body posture, and intricate footwork. Pallavi literally means blossoming. This is applicable not only to the dance, but also to the music which accompanies it. Each pallavi is based on and named after a raga, which is a particular permutation of the basic musical notes. A typical Odissi pallavi starts with slow, graceful, and lyrical movements of the eyes, neck, torso, and feet, and slowly builds in a crescendo to climax into a fast tempo at the end. Both the dance and the music evolve in complexity as the dancer traces multiple patterns in space, interpreting the music dexterously in the multi-layered dimensions of tal, the rhythm, and laya, the speed. Shagnika will now present a pallavi based on Rag Bilahari, one of the morning ragas that exude energy and happiness. This composition is set to Chatushra Jati Ektali, a cycle of 4 beats. Music composition is by Pandit Bhubaneshwar Mishra, and dance choreography is by Padma Vibhushan Guru Kelucharan Mohapatra.
ताहम ताहम दिन ताना रे सारे सारे गा पा धा सा नी धा पा मा गा रे सा ता हम तारी झेना सारे सारे सा गा रे गा गा पा धा पा धा सारे सारे सा गा रे सा नी धा पा मा गा रे सा ता हम तारी झेना ता झेना तारी ता झेना ता हम तारी झेना ता झेना तारी ता झेना ता हम तारी झेना ता झेना तारी ता झेना गपा धप्पा पदा सनिधा गपा धप्पा मगरि गसा गपा धप्पा पदा सनिधा गपा धप्पा मगरि गसा सारे गा रे गपा गपा धप्पा पदा सा रे गा रे सनिधा पा गपा धप्पा मगरि गसा ता हम तारी झेना ता झेना तारी ता झेना ता हम तारी झेना ता झेना तारी ता झेना ता हम तारी झेना सारे गा पा मा गा रे गा पा धा पा मा गा पा धा सा नी धा पा मा गा रे सा सारे गा पा मा गा रे गा पा धा पा मा गा पा धा सा नी धा पा मा गा रे सा सारे गा रे गा पा धा सा सारे गा रे सा नी धा पा मा गा रे सा सारे गा रे गा पा धा सा सारे गा रे सा नी धा पा मा गा रे सा सारे गा रे गा पा धा सा सारे गा रे सा नी धा पा मा गा रे सा नी धा पा धा सा नी धा पा धा सा नी धा पा धा ता हम तारी ता झेना ता झोम तारी ता झेना झेना तारी ता झेना 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 ता झेना ता हम तारी ता झेना ता झोम तारी ता झेना झेनम तारी ता झेना झेना झेनम ता झेना धो केड़ी तक तक झणु केड़ी तक तक धलांग ता जदी गाना धो केड़ी तक तक झणु केड़ी तक धलांग 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 जदी गन तक धलांग ता जदी गन तक धलांग ता जदी गन तक धलांग ता धा तक धलांग ता धा तक धलांग ता धा तारी ता झेना तारी झेना तारी ता तारी ता झेना तारी झेना तारी ता हम तारी झेना ता झुम झुम ता झुम झेना किरतक झुम तारी झेना ता झुम झुम ता झुम झेना किरतक तारी ता झेना तारी झेना तारी तारी ता झेना तारी झेना तारी ता झोम